Risks such as immediately you can get some swelling, some bruising. So I'll see you for your treatment in 2 weeks' time, and I've already sent you the information on before and after care, but just to remind you, so the thing about dermal fillers, there are risks such as immediately you can get some swelling, some bruising. There is a small risk of infection. The chances of that are reduced by the fact that everything is kept sterile. The thing that is the risk that people know and hear about is when dermal filler can go into a blood vessel. And that would cause something called a vascular occlusion. Before I do any procedure using dermal filler, I do have an ultrasound, and I will be ultrasounding and mapping the vessels on your face. So I will know exactly where your blood vessels are in your lips, if we did your lips, cheeks, chin before we do any injection of filler, and that will make it a lot safer.